Okay, so we've been talking about proving triangles similar by either the side angle side or the side 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 similarity theorems or the angle angle similarity postulate. So, but now we're going to actually apply what we know about similar triangles. So it's not just proving two triangles are similar. We are going to use it for something useful. Okay, so think about a basketball gym. The ceiling is very tall, but the floor is flat. It would be very difficult to find the height of the gym by normal measurement. You're not going to take a tape measure and try and get the height of the gym. But you can use indirect measurement to find the height of the ceiling. So if this is the ceiling up here, and you place a mirror here, then you start walking backwards. As soon as you get to a point where you can see in that mirror this up here, or the top of the ceiling, or the top of the wall, or whatever, this part here, then you would stop and you would measure this distance, so the distance from you to the mirror, and then you would measure the distance from the mirror to the wall, and you would know how you could measure how from your line of sight, so how tall you are up to your eyes, and then you're going to measure, and then you can find how tall the gym is. So if we do this, notice how it creates two right triangles, and then the mirror, the line of sight, the reflection, the light bounces off or reflects at an angle that's similar. So whenever it comes, so these two angles are going to be similar. So we can use the properties of similar triangles. So we're going to set up a proportion. We're going to have our little triangle over our big triangle. And our little triangle, we've got 5.5. And the big triangle, what corresponds with this side, is x. And the little triangle is 4. The big triangle is 24. Okay, so we cross multiply, and we get 4x equals 24 times 5.5, which is 132. Whenever we divide by 4, we get x equals 33. So x equals 33. So that would mean that the height of the gym is 33 feet. Let's do one more. And the book uses indirect measurement to measure the height of a cliff. So, you know, there's several different ways that we can use this. Okay, so we're given, so we see our two triangles and they're similar. So we just set up our proportion. So little triangle over big triangle. If you need to make that bigger or whatever, you can. So little triangle over the big triangle. So what goes with the 5 feet? Little triangle, 5 feet. Big triangle, okay, is going to be the x. Little triangle, 6 feet. Big triangle, 34. We cross multiply, we get 6x equals 170. X equals 170 divided by 6. It's not going to go in there evenly. So 28.3 repeating, or if we round to the nearest foot, then it's going to be 28 feet. We would round down. X equals 28. About 28 feet.